Hi, for this micro teach, I am going to teach you how to play the game Farkle. This is a game that my family likes to play a lot. So first of all, to play Farkle, you need 6 dice and a pad of paper to keep score on. You're going to need to keep score on this game. So the object of the game is to be the first one to get to 10,000 points, which sounds like a lot, but once you understand how the game works, it doesn't take as long as you think. So first of all, with your dice, let me go over points. So ones, anytime you roll a 1, that's 100 points. Anytime you roll a 5, that's 50 points. Anytime that you roll triples of any number, that's a certain amount of points. So like here we have, oops, that one fell. So here we have triple 1. Well, let me turn them towards the camera so you can see them better. Triple 1s. So triple 1s is 100 points. Now remember, 1-1 is also 100 points. Triple 2s are 200 points. Triple 3s, 300 points. Triple 4s, 400. Triple 5s, 500. And triple 6s, 600 points. Now if you get 4 of any number, so like if you get 4 4s here, trying to get 4 4s here. There we go. So let's say you have 4 4s. All right, you get 4 4s, and that is 1,000 points. So 4 of any number is 1,000 points. Now 5 of any number is 2,000 points, and 6 of any number is 3,000 points. Now, if you get 1 through 6, so if you had the dice here and you got all numbers 1 through 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which does occasionally happen, that is worth 1,500 points. And then 3 pairs, so if you have, like, you've got 2 4s, and then let's say you've got 2 2s, and you've got 2 6s in your roll, that's also worth 1,500 points. So the way you play is you take the dice and you put them in the cup or in your hands, and put the cap on real quick, close it up, and roll them out. Alright, so I happen to get, in this round, I got 3 6s, so that's 600 points. And then I got a 4, and a 2, and a 3. So those aren't worth any points by themselves. So I would just get 600 from the 3 dice that I have here. Now, what I can do with these 3 dice is I can roll them again. To get into the game, you have to get 500. So if that was my first roll, I would have 500 or more, so I'd have 600 there. And then you can roll the other 3 dice. Now here I got a 5, and that 5 is worth 50 points. So the 5 can go aside. So now I have 650 points on the side there. Now I can take these 2 dice and I can choose to roll them and see if I get any more points. Or I can say, I've got 650, that's where I want to sit, that's my points for this round. So if I roll these, like so, and like I got a 4 and a 6. Well, a 4 and a 6 There are no points by themselves. There has to be at least 2 or 3 of them, 2 or 3 of the same number. So what I would have done is I would have farkled for this round, and that means I would lose all my points. Does that make sense? Okay, good. So we've got this handy dandy chart here for playing that reminds us how many points everything is in case we forget. And so then we can keep playing. And that's how you play Farkle.